using the multi-tool in a variety of applications. Today we're working on a deck, and we had to correct a butt joint, that was already had been put together, and this thing we've been able to plunge it down in between it, cut it back and forth, and slide our decking together. It worked out really good.
Just got done using the 20-volt multi-tool to scarify the concrete down here to clean it up to allow for the caulk to set better. After we set the door, we'll take the tool and cut all the shims free. Much easier than using the knife, quicker, a lot less time for us, makes us a lot more money.
Well, typically I use a razor blade, just a box knife to cut this, but with this application is a lot easier, and the blade cuts really clean and fast.
Yeah, I love the multi-tool. It does everything I need to get into tight spots, and use it for anywhere I can't hit a circular saw and do jigsaw. Basically don't even use palm sander anymore. I find this a lot easier to use. I think the power is great. It'll cut through anything I've added to.
Anything from, it seems like wood, metal, vinyl, 100% PVC, such as the decking we're using right now, it seems to get through all those materials really well.
Runtime's amazing. 20-volt platform is incredible. I mean, we can run impacts all day on those on a half pack, where this, you're not using it as much, and it'll still run hours.
Depending on the application, I rarely have to switch the batteries. I'll set this door, do the grinding that I did, and trim all the shims and any other small things. I'll use one battery, one fully charged battery. It's very easy to hold on to. I love it. Yeah, you can't beat it.
The blade change, the light on the front here, the way it fits your hand in runtime, this tool just, is far superior over any other multi-tool. This tool just, is far superior over any other multi-tool.
The Milescraft tri-grips provide an instant, positive lateral stability on almost any kind of work surface without the use of clamps. When on their flat side, the tri-grips hold a workpiece 1 3/16 of an inch above the bench top. When set on their edge, the tri-grips raise the workpiece a full 3 inches above the bench. The special foam impregnated non-slip skin holds any type of material in place. Each tri-grip has a cone-shaped tip formed into one corner of the block, which offers excellent support for painting. Tri-grips can be used in a variety of different applications. The possibilities are truly endless. An added feature is the tri-grips can be interconnected in a variety of different shapes for maximum support. For more information on the tri-grips or any of their other products, visit milescraft.com.
Introducing the Landel Safe Lifting Handle, a 1 or 2 person adjustable lifting strap that allows you to easily handle all of your everyday lifting and moving jobs. It is portable, adjustable, and easy to use for a variety of lifting and moving needs around the home, yard, or office. The Landel can be used for virtually any lifting application by 1 or 2 people. Its patented ergonomic design employs proper body mechanics and leverage to make lifting objects safer and easier. Every time you bend over and strain to lift an object, you put yourself at serious risk of injury. The Landel is designed by physical therapists to help take the load off your back. Do you find yourself needing a better grip on those heavy, awkward, or bulky items? The Landel adds the function and comfort of ergonomic handles to any object, giving you a sure grip on your items. The Landel's extra wide 6-inch strap quickly and easily adjusts to links up to 6 feet, allowing the user to lift from the desired height off the ground in the power zone. It is very durable and extremely strong, capable of carrying loads of up to 800 pounds. The Landel is the only lifting strap you need for all of your everyday lifting applications. The Landel, lifting the standard of safety.
Gear Wrench presents Bolt Biter, the toughest extraction socket ever. Bolt Biter uses an innovative design of tapered flutes to grip any fastener no matter how damaged. This revolutionary gripping design disengages from the fastener just as easily as it seats into place, which means no more fighting to remove the socket and no more jamming your socket with a ruined fastener. Bolt Biter even works in both directions, so you can tighten and reuse specialty fasteners in a pinch. Nothing can stop Bolt Biter's grip. Grab the most damaged fasteners with our minus size sockets, designed to hug fasteners worn down below their original size. Traditional extraction sockets dull over time. Bolt Biter lasts 10 times longer than the competition under impact power and carries our lifetime warranty. Forge ahead with Bolt Biter.
the Gatorback Tool Belt. As professionals, we understand the frustration associated with low-quality generic tool belts. You need a comfortable belt that's built to last with customized functionality for your profession. The Gatorback Tool Belt backpad was built with sculpted, molded foam and a micro-weaved lycra material to offer optimal weight distribution and breathability, resulting in the most comfortable tool belt on the market. We also designed box-style as opposed to envelope-style pockets with reinforced plastic inside, giving you more room and ensuring nothing pokes through. With bar tacking at every stress point, high-density webbing at every opening, and rings to connect your suspenders, you can be confident that your belt won't rip and your pockets won't collapse. All professionals need a comfortable belt that's built to last. However, not all professionals need the same pockets. Therefore, we've created custom belts with unique pockets for electricians, carpenters, or concrete foundation setters. Our electrician's belt is optimized with a tool side pouch with 18 pockets for all your specific electrician tools and accessories needed for each job. Our carpenter belt is also designed with specific pockets and specialized for all carpenter needs. Our concrete foundation setter belt is the first of its kind and the only one on the market. It was designed specifically to hold foundation ties and
What you're about to witness is a typical team meeting with the meeting owl. Meet Jane, who's running the meeting. And here's Morgan, who's attending the meeting from 100 miles away. However, despite the distance, she feels like she's right there in the room with the team, thanks to the meeting owl. A 360-degree conferencing camera that sits in the center of the table and gives your remote folks a more inclusive experience. If you've ever used a webcam before, you know how to use the meeting owl. All Jane has to do is plug in the power and the USB and load up her favorite video conferencing platform. Then, kick off your meeting, and the 360 camera will automatically focus on whoever is talking. You also get a panorama at the top so you can see the whole room. Above all else, you need to be able to hear everybody. And everyone hears Morgan loud and clear through the 360 speaker.
That sounds perfect. I'm ready to make it happen.
Great. You want to get us started?
Of course.
If this team were using another camera, Morgan's experience would have been pretty terrible. She wouldn't be able to see whoever's talking, or she might be stuck staring at the back of someone's head. Or it'd even be impossible to figure out what the heck is going on. And we all know meetings crowded around a laptop are the worst. No one wants that. Jane made the right choice. The meeting owl changes everything. And there's something else that makes the meeting owl pretty special. It connects to Wi-Fi. That means you get new features automatically over time, like meeting analytics on your smartphone. The meeting owl helps everyone. Better, more inclusive meetings for all your teammates, both in the office and remote. Meeting Owl, because every teammate deserves a seat at the table.